You will love the features of this 2024 Hyundai Ioniq 5. Drive boldly into the future in this distinctive Ioniq 5, the spacious, family-friendly EV that's designed for today's connected lifestyle. You'll love its pleasing ride, eco-friendly materials, and high-tech infotainment features. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, head-up display, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, power liftgate, cooled front seat, satellite radio. Connect with your love of the journey in this tech-forward Ioniq 5. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.